to be able to do it like you're a basketball player, okay? Yeah, so if you're gonna go continuous, the only thing is, rather than hammer into the ground, soft touch, okay? Extend up, come flush, come down slow, just like you do on the deadlift, right? Soft touch, back up. Extend all the way through. Good work, good work. As that weight gets heavy and you start to come down, that weight wants to pull you in and that upper back wants to round, right? So if we can initiate up through there, keep that upper back tight, keep the elbows locked in. We're gonna keep it. There you go. Last one. Good. You almost done?
I'll do a chin.
All right. You gotta get one too.
4.
You going for 4? You feel good? Yeah. All right. All right. Come on. I don't want you landing on the toes like that. I want you landing solid. Good. Good work, Jared. Come on. Control it on the way down a little bit more, okay? Upper body initiates. Good. Yeah. All right. Okay, let's break it down.